Do any of you have an experience where a salesman did something and you said, I don't care what he's selling, I'm buying from that guy or girl?
I definitely walked away from meetings and I look at sales or any of these things as relationships and partnerships, right? I know we were talking about partnership is kind of a generic term, but the life cycle of these projects sometimes are 3 or 4 years. So if someone I walk away from and maybe that particular product isn't what I need, I will figure out a way to work with that person because of the experience I had, for sure.
For me, I got a call from an insurance broker, basically wanting to sell us general liability insurance and all that. And first off, I'll say generally I get contacted probably 1,000 times a week by people trying to sell. So it's a pain point when you pick up the phone and it's somebody trying to sell you. But right out of his mouth, he said, hey, Adam, I'm not going to waste your time. If you could just give me 5 minutes, if you don't feel like I provided value in that 5 minutes, I'll send you a $50 gift card. I'm like, okay. I mean, it shocked me because, I hear so much, and we talked a ton of time. I used to train salespeople for a long, long time and really have heard just about everything. I'd never heard something that direct, and for me, it was like perfect. And we're buying from him now 4 years. Now we've been doing insurance with a guy, and it was just it just caught me off guard that I said, yeah, absolutely. And he set up a meeting, and he did a great job. So,
is there anything we talked about this morning that is a perfect example of what we talked about? What? What pay? Customer acquisition cost. Guy says $50 for 5 minutes. He says, Amazon? Yes, Amazon. In. Take the gift card, right? You saying I'm willing to pay $50, right? And he probably knew that, I'm assuming he had a pretty good pitch. Doesn't work if you're a crappy salesperson. It gets expensive in a hurry.